Hey guys, welcome to the video.
Hello!
This is gonna be the first official video, I guess, of this year.
Yeah, it kind of is, huh?
I mean, I did one already, but I just talked about this year. We're gonna explore this store called Sanki. What is it?
So it's called it says it's a fashion place, like basically where they sell clothes and like other items. But every time I've been here, it always kind of reminds me of, I don't know, kind of like a Ross.
Oh, really?
I mean, I don't know if it's an outlet store, but it feels like it's cheap. It's known for it to be like a cheap place to go shopping. Like
a Ross or a TJ Maxx of Japan?
I think.
I really liked those stores in America, so.
But it's not that, it's like, we were driving by it and I'm like, man, I really want to check out that store because I'm going to need to update my clothes. And then Matt was like, well, I need a video today. So I'm like, all right, let's go. And I just like turned the car around.
So here's the video.
So here we are.
But I do want to check out some of these stores in Okinawa. And if it ends up being like Ross or TJ Maxx or something, it might end up being one of my favorite clothing stores.
I think I don't know.
Except we have a brand now, so.
That's true. Well, I think it's kind of known to be, like, I know like a lot of older people shop here.
It's an old people store?
I remember coming here once and I was waiting for my aunt in the parking lot, and the only memory I have of this place, I've been in it, but the only memory I have of this place was that I came here and I was in the car and I had this little bottle, like a baby bottle, but it was like glue with it like shaped like a baby bottle, and I was sucking on the tip while waiting for my aunt to come out, and then the glue went in my mouth. That's like how I remember this place. I ate glue.
So you were actually a baby?
No, I was probably like 2nd grade. But like our teachers gave out like craft project stuff. And she gave us these little bottles of like glue that looked like little baby bottles that even had like a little nipple thing at the top. And then I was like kind of like biting on it because you know I have a biting issue. I was biting on the nipple part, and then the nipple part broke. All the glue went in my mouth. So that's how I remember this place.
All right, let's go check it out. Sanki. 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 Sanki very much. Sounds like a discount store. Oh, I have been in here before. Okay, well, let's look around. I've actually been wanting a new wallet. Pretty cheap, actually. They have some fun ones, too. What is it? Oh, it has an owl on it?
I like it.
That is really nice. Don't you need a wallet?
I do.
Oh my gosh.
It's 980 yen.
This is meant for you. She wants this Chupa Chops lollipop. It's 680 yen. Very cheap.
Well, I mean, even look at this. Like stuff like this. Like this right here. This is like, I mean, it's cute, but it's 680 yen.
That's really cheap. Are you getting this then?
Well, I might have to come back for it because I don't have cash on me.
Would you get it?
Yeah.
All right, I'll get it for you.
No.
Well, it's so easy.
Okay.
It is like a Ross or a TJ Maxx.
There's like a lot of like actually good stuff you could use, actually.
Yeah, it seems like it.
Like I'm already looking at it.
I think it is a discount store. Like a, what do you call it? Wholesale store or whatever. Kit's there looking at the clothes. They look like they have some pretty cheap furniture stuff here too. Oh my gosh, when we get Buddy here, this can be his bed. Kit's gonna love this. Look at a yakisoba thing, that's so amazing. Those are great pet beds. Hang on, I'm gonna get Kit's reaction on one of these things. Let me go find her. Kit, there's something here I want you to see. Come around. It's a pet bed for Buddy.
Oh my god. When we get him, can we come get this?
Yeah.
Oh man. I even like this. Like it's a ramen place.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
He'd probably like this too, I bet.
Did you see what this says?
No.
Pet use only, don't eat your lovely pets.
Oh. Yeah, Kit just mentioned they might actually be having an end of the year sale right now because all the stores are doing that. I think it is just a cheap store though in general, but it might be even cheaper because of all the sales going on. This stupid show, man, Kimetsu no Yaiba. I forgot what it's called in English, but it is everywhere in Japan. And they even have this is a bathroom mat that you step onto and absorbs water. And they themed it as this show.
Because you always talk about needing boxers.
I might actually get some.
There's like a whole section of this that is like really cool.
Okay. Yeah, I might actually get some new underwear and new socks because Kit's right. They do have some really cool ones here. So I'm thinking I might get all this underwear here. Gintama, Monsters Inc. Maybe something like that. We'll give it a try. It's kind of a cool jacket too. Really cheap. There's a couple over here too. Oh, it's the Ed Hardy stuff. That used to be really popular, right? Like 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago. It's only $7, $7 or $8. This whole thing is Ed Hardy. And then they got these Champion shoes. And they also have Okinawa designs. So that's pretty cool. So this place actually is like a Ross. We found the discount electronics section too. And they also have appliances as well, which are really cheap actually. Very good prices.
For
What's that?
$12, it's like a UV.
Oh, a disinfectant
sanitizer.
thing.
Or we could probably use it for our phones.
Yeah, it's looking like Ross. They have a lot of stuff here. A lot of little lights, electronics. It's pretty cool. It's a Playboy hat. Just like Ross, I'm noticing it is mostly clothes as well. So, cool store overall. You gonna change your wallet right now?
Yeah, but I don't have that much money or cash or anything in this wallet. Like, I might as well just start using this like this, and it'll be the same. I have the rock climbing gym card, my bank card, and then this food place we never go to. I'll space them out so it looks like I have a lot in my wallet.
Okay.
I don't want to be like a George Costanza.
That was the Ross of Japan. Seems very similar to TJ Maxx, Ross.
I would say it is.
There's another store that's like that too. TJ Maxx, Ross.
Marshalls.
Marshalls, that's the one. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. And I will see you in the next video.